There's an international ban on the trade of rhino horn, but in South Africa a similar domestic ban is facing uncertainty. The Supreme Court of Appeal recently ruled against the ban imposed by the Department of Environmental Affairs. The application was brought before the court by two private rhino owners. They argue selling the horn will allow them to better protect their rhino, and at least one expert agrees.
I do not see this as a bad thing to be able to trade internally in South Africa in rhino horn, for the simple reason it's pretty much like trading in futures. So you've got private rhino owners who are completely disincentivized to own rhinos. It's costing them an unprecedented fortune to protect their animals, either by way of dehorning or security around their private reserves.
At least a third of South Africa's rhinos are privately owned, but due to the high cost of keeping them, many are shying away from getting more rhino. South Africa also has a stockpile of horn. It's estimated to be worth billions. A potential for funds there, but environmentalists say legalizing the local trade could be catastrophic.
It's a tragedy to the initiative to save the rhino. We believe that with the legalization of the domestic trade in rhino horn, you're going to find that the demand is going to be increased because there's going to be a flood of rhino horn into the market, prices are going to drop, and it's going to be made more available to a larger market. Our reality is who needs rhino horn in South Africa? The demand for rhino horn is across the borders. So someone is going to break the law to get the rhino horn out there.
Government can still fight the court decision though. It can go to the Constitutional Court, the highest court in the land. Another avenue is strict regulations meant to stifle the domestic trade. Andrews, CCTV, Cape Town.